Now to a large 4.9 earthquake near Indio Hills tonight in Riverside County. Multiple aftershocks have been reported, the most recent one less than 2 hours ago. The original quake struck right before 6 o'clock tonight, and we got a number of calls, in fact, with messages from viewers saying that they felt the quick jolt from Palm Springs to L.A., even as far south as San Diego. Earthquake expert Dr. Lucy Jones says this is the largest earthquake to hit Southern California in almost a year. So far, no reports of any major damage or injuries, but check out this video of the aftermath inside a Use Save market in Indio. And you can see the earthquake's strength was so powerful it knocked down several products off the shelves, leaving behind a big mess. Our chief meteorologist, Dallas Rains, took Dr. Lucy Jones' course on earthquakes. And Dallas, what can you tell us about this quake?
That's right, David. You're right. Just under a 4.9, and it was out in the desert areas. We're going to locate it exactly for you, just north of Indio today, just before 6 o'clock. And now that thing was rumbling around pretty good. When you look at that, we call it the Ring of Fire across the Pacific Ocean, and that's where we get a lot of earthquakes. Of course, the largest earthquake ever to occur was down in southern Chile, 9.5. We'll be back in just a few minutes because we have warm weather, but then we have a slight chance of rain. I'll see you in a few minutes, David.
All right, Dallas, thank you.
Thank you.
Today's earthquake is a good reminder. Now is the time to prepare for a bigger one. Find all the information that you need about how to get ready at abc7.com/earthquake.